Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Davinci Resolve into your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's just start it. So first we will go to our Google Chrome browser and come over this search option over here and going to search for Davinci Resolve download. You can see, click on that. So here you can see you can find www.blackmagicdesign.com server website over here. So if you now click on Davinci Resolve 19, you will come over this Davinci Resolve website over here. And now if you click on edit over here, click on that and then scroll down a little bit. And after that here you will find the world's fastest professional editing software, Davinci Resolve, free download now and buy online now $295. So you can find the difference over here. One is Davinci Resolve Studio, that is mostly paid, and the one is Davinci Resolve free download. So we'll going to click the free download, and after that we will get two options over here. So now you can see over here there is two options, Windows 86 and Windows ARM. If your Windows is 64-bit or 86-bit, then you can click on this, or if your Windows is ARM, then you can click on Windows ARM. So I'm going to click on Windows 86, and then here you just need to fill up your all details. And after that you will get this option over here called Davinci Resolve 9.0.1, and if you click on Davinci Resolve 9.0.1 Windows zip, you will get the download option and click on download. And then it's 2.27 GB, so it will take quite a lot of time. It depends on your internet speed. So we will go after the download completed. So here you can see the download is completed, and now if we click on this folder icon, we will redirect to the Davinci zip file. So we're going to extract it by click on your right mouse button, or you can just click on this Davinci Resolve and click on extract all and click on extract. So here you can see the extract is completed, and now we will going to click on it to install it. So you can see in order to install Resolve, you must install this component. So after that, click install. So here you can see after component installation completed, we will get welcome to the Davinci Resolve setup wizard. So after that, click on next and click on I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then click next. You can change the path from here, so I will going to change it, and after a very short time the installation will be completed. So after the installation, here you can see some of files will be downloading. So it's some file will be installing, so it will take maybe some of minutes. Wait for a little bit. And after that you can see the company of the Davinci Resolve setup wizard. So you can see if you want to complete the installation, then you just need to restart your device, and that will be all fine. You can use Davinci Resolve 19.0.1 very easily. So this is how you can download and install Davinci Resolve into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.